Hello guys, so in this course we're going to look in great detail into how to create your own volume profile that works like this. Okay, so after you do this course you'll be able to build your own profile, which has its own value area, has a POC, and has quite a few parameters that you're able to control. So data granularity is going to be take seconds or minutes, profile strip size, profile width, value area percentage. Okay, so we're going to look in very great detail on how to actually create. It's quite a complex indicator, and as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Okay, and requires a lot of understanding how to actually get built. So roll in and see you on the course. Take care.